I've got no room. Like it or lump it. Fed up with people telling me to tidy. Got no fucking space to tidy. Keep buying shit to make videos about. That's that bit. So take out the pin. Right, that removes this straight away. Sometimes you're lucky and you can slide it under, but that one won't slide under. So pin there. Get a little tap, remember, you've only got that much space. So, little tap. Not too much. Just enough to get something on there. Don't forget you want a box for these little bits. Box. Pair of pliers on there. Right, now knock your thing out. Now you can wind your nut right off the other end. Pull that out, that's free. You're going to find a spring and a washer and a nut in here. Nut, washer, spring. Already tested these come undone nicely. Logic says keep it blue, so I'm going to do it black. Alright.
Logic lost out because the blue cleans up very well.
And that's it, people. It was that quick.
Don't forget, put the spring on and the washer. That's it, done. Right, where's the oil? Now, don't turn off yet, because you may remember earlier I said, let's turn this black. And then I changed my mind. So, because you're good people, I'm going to do one of these in black for you. Stick with me. For some crazy reason, clean, original ones seem to sell for more money than restored, painted ones. So the jaws are good on this, the slide's good on this. Just clean it up, and I'm going to sell it as listed on eBay now.
Got another one. Bit manky this one. Oh, and it's not winding out. Oh, what's that meant? Ooh. What's it doing? Remember, that's that bit done. Right, now we've got to bang that one out. Oh, look at the state of that, eh? Tell you now, they're not going to come off, are they? Oh, maybe they will. Ah! Time for a fun restoration. Give it a wipe. I normally use toilet paper, but obviously shop rolls just as good, isn't it? Didn't know I was a surgeon, did you? Used to be a gynaecologist. Well, I say used to be a gynaecologist. I passed the oral exam, alright. Right, that's that mended for now. Don't be filling my fucking glove up with blood, do I? And back over to the machine. get some etch primer on that, people, and I'll be back.
And while we wait for the etch primer to dry, let's look at another vise I did this week. This is an 1877 Chas Parker anvil and vise. What a lovely thing. I stripped it back to bare metal, and then I used some 600-degree heat paint because that was the effect I wanted. Right, back to the other one. So I finished this in Real Feel Textured by Paint Factory, coal black. And I think the gold writing just really highlights it. That's also going up for sale on eBay. Right, thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye for now.